You look like a swordfish I caught once. He hit the deck just like that. You know who I am?
We met right before the Sugar Bowl.
Hell of a game, that Sugar Bowl. What'd you lose it by, 40 points?
45.
Jesus. Sometimes a game can stick with you, so you can never shake it off.
It seems.
You had a lot of tools, fast, quick release, great downfield vision. You just never had good protection.
What do you want, Coach?
I'm back with the Sentinels, and I want you to quarterback them. A scrambling quarterback is going to do real well in this replacement environment. I found the best guards available to protect you, and a wide receiver even you can't overthrow.
I'm retired.
Yeah, and it looks like you've been doing real well for you since.
I got no complaints. No one bothers me. It's quiet here.
That's the best thing about Plankton. Pretty much keeps to itself. You know what separates the winners from the losers, kid?
The score?
Getting back on the horse after you've been kicked in the teeth.